Well,
Walking around outside. Mommy's having a yard sale.
We need to get this for Pepper.
Yeah. She probably pee every time.
Does it work?
Yeah.
You need to get this for Pepper.
Put on your thing and then bark.
I don't want to do that.
Yucky.
Hi.
Hear me?
Yeah, I heard you.
Get that for Pepper. I'm being serious, dude. She needs it.
Bless you.
Ew. Spit came out of your mouth. Come here.
Go see Mama.
Come here. Your pants are all twisted. Hey. Ciara.
No, you're running.
Come here.
Go see Mommy.
Come here. Not listening.
Where you going?
Ciara. Come here. But here.
Ciara. Ciara. You gonna dance?
Should be my phone. You can videotape and take a picture at the same time.
He's coming now. Crystal. He was going the other
I
way.
want to test
it?
it.
Hey, where you going? Say hi. Hi. What? I'm gonna get you. What kind of face is that? No. Hey. No, don't touch. Where you going?
Man, I'd be mad.
Ciara. Oh, hey. Where are you going? Come back here.
Here, make a bark noise.
Put that bark collar on me.
I don't even think it's on.
Well, I don't want to try it out. Hey, where are you going? You can get around now, huh? Oh, goodness. Oh. Get her. There's a car coming. Pick her up, please.